Hello everyone, my name is Antonio Rogers. During Nucamp, I created a bunch of projects, but in this video, I'm going to showcase two of them. Before joining Nucamp, all I knew was a little bit of HTML, didn't know anything about CSS, didn't know anything about JavaScript, Node.js, React Native, React. So during my time here at Nucamp, I learned so much. And I also documented every single day of my coding journey so far. So if you guys want to check that out, you guys can go to my YouTube. I'm on day 123. Sometimes, I do code alongs where I'm just building projects and working on stuff, or sometimes I just check in and just go over, what I plan on learning that day. So the first project I'm going to showcase is Tripper. I've been working on this since January. It's not fully completed yet, but I really wanted to showcase this because this is my first React project. And yeah, it's I learned so much just by doing this project. It's crazy. But let's take a look. So scroll down, we got some animations, got some cards, and got a little parallax image or section. And yeah, you scroll up. So that's the home page. And for the animations, I use Framer Motion. Sorry about that car outside. But for the animations, I use Framer Motion. I believe in Bootcamp, we learned React Spring. I took it upon myself to, learn Framer Motion outside of the Bootcamp. And for the destinations page, we got this. Got a little grid, a little section down there. And then for the cruise page, animations moving slow on my computer. Got some more cards. Got a little section. I forgot to update this. I just put anything for now. Forgot to update that. So one of the problems that I faced was trying to get so whenever I click on a card here, it takes me to that specific card page. It took me a while to understand URL params and get it to work. I actually had to rearrange a bunch of my code for it to work. And I actually worked on this section yesterday on my YouTube. So what I did was I used use state and for updated the main image. So whenever I click on these little smaller image, it updates the main image. So yeah, I actually worked on this yesterday. That's why I was open. And so let's go to vacations. So I still haven't updated this section yet. I just put some alarm. And this is the page that isn't complete either. I got some vacations there. The blue represents where I'm gonna put content at. And so I want content down there. And a contact page. It loads in. It's supposed to be an animation, not supposed to jump in like that. I just think it's my computer. And then this section here is one of the best looking sections in my opinion. So I created this little I found a little office mock-up online and I went into Photoshop and just changed it around to make it look like, Tripper has an office. And meet the team section. We got some web developers and CEO and stuff like that. And we got a little form here. And yeah, so that's that. And also we got login modal and a sign up modal that pops up. And whenever you click uh, off the modal, it just closes. And yeah, so that's Tripper. And I'm about to show you guys another project that I created, which is a weather app. Okay, so this is my weather app. This was really special to me because it took me a while to get some of the logic working that I wanted to do. I'll explain that in a few. But yeah, I'm fetching data from this URL weather API, and so whenever I search up a city, Raleigh, it shows the current weather, 57 degrees, and it also has a 7-day forecast, the high and the low, and it got some icons there to show, if it's raining, sunny. And so the logic that I was talking about, so what I wanted the background image and this background image to change, if it's nighttime in that city. So right now in Raleigh is daytime, and let's search up a city that's nighttime. Let's search up Dubai. Okay, so in Dubai is daytime. There's a what about Paris? Paris, is it daytime in Paris? Okay, so it's daytime in Paris. So let me search up a city right quick. Okay, so I got a city that should be nighttime. I looked it up on Google. So it's called Adelaide. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So it's nighttime there. And yeah, it changes the background image of the inner container. And it also has changed the background image of the body as well. And yeah, so that was one problem that I faced. It took me a while to actually get that working the way that I wanted to. And yeah, so that's that. And I guess I might as well, since we got some time, I don't know how much time that I got, maybe show off another project right quick. Okay, so I'm gonna make this one really quick. This was my first ever project. This is my Bootstrap site that I created when I learned Bootstrap with Nucamp. So yeah, this is called Waxter. It doesn't have any animations or nothing. So we got little feature campaigns. We got some cars. All of this is made with Bootstrap. Scroll down. Adopt a pet. Have a contact form. Got a little app section there, and then we have our footer. We got a mobile menu, and it's responsive. Got some buttons there. You log in, sign up. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, so that was my boost. This is my first ever project. This will forever be have a special place in my heart. This is really fun to create. And yeah, so that's that. And like I said, my name is Antonio Rogers. I really enjoyed my time here at Nucamp, and I'm looking forward to the future.